Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit YouTube Kids language. Now unfortunately you can't actually directly change the YouTube Kids app language, but you can filter the content by language by using the approved content only feature, which allows you to choose specific channels and videos. You can select videos in desired language or languages to ensure your child primarily sees content in that language. Now, the availability of the content in that specific language may vary. And also, YouTube Kids offers robust parental control, so don't forget to also add search settings and watch history features to help you manage your child's viewing experience effectively. Hope you found this video helpful, because if you combine these methods, you can effectively manage the language exposure within YouTube Kids and ensure a safe and appropriate viewing experience for your child. Now, note that the specific settings and options may vary slightly depending on the device and version of the YouTube Kids app you're using. Also, please refer to the official YouTube Kids support documentation for the most up-to-date information. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.